the only places you might own homes are so-called mansions. Look at this. So, this is a nightmare for me. Monday to Sunday.
Yeah, recording buses. What do you want to arrest?
No, that's the same.
Yeah, I'll take it because we'll.
Yes?
Hello, it's Essex Police, mate.
Yeah, what's wrong?
We need to have a chat with you.
Yeah, tell us what you want.
I would like to have a chat with you,
Yeah,
mate.
but tell me what you want.
Look, mate, there's been some allegations against you.
Really?
So we just need to have a little chat with you about something, please.
Yeah, well, I'll send you an email.
I would like to have a chat with you in person, if possible, please.
No, I don't particularly want to track you in person.
Why
Because
not?
I've just had the door kicked in by somebody.
Okay, well, we're here to... Well, we're the best people to talk to about that, are we not?
No, I'll send you an email. I'm writing a report up about it now.
Okay, you can report it to us in person.
No, it's okay. I'll send you an email.
Okay, Paul? Paul, you listening?
Right, yeah, so we're going to go for 10. This is the other way, you've got section 17,000. Yeah, no, it's not just coming down here.
You might notice bruises, but you should be fine.
Yeah.